This is Michelle from Gizmo 3D Printers, and in this video tutorial I will be showing you at a very basic level how to use your Gizmetor software. To open Gizmetor, navigate to the gizmetor.bat or Windows batch file. Mine is located in my Dropbox folder. When you find it, double click on it. When the printer and resin selection box opens, the first thing you want to do is select your Gizmo 3D printer model in the drop-down menu. Then, select the USB port that your printer has been inserted into. I'm not connected to a printer at the moment, so I will just be selecting none. If you're not sure which port it is, just choose one and see if it works for you. Then, select the material you'll be using. I'm just going to select Fun to Do Industrial Blend Red as an example. Click on Submit. Next, you want to bring the 3D object that you want to print into your 3D world. There are 3 different ways to bring the object into your world. The different methods are listed here at the top. You can just click on any of them. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will guide you through each method. The first being to add the object from your file system. You would click on it and then navigate to the .stl file of your choice. I'm going to fetch one in the Gizmetor directory, which is saved in my Dropbox. If you want to do the same, you can click on the Toolbox folder, then on Calibrate, and the one I'm going to select for this exercise is calibrationcube.stl. Open. There it is. The next method for bringing an object into the 3D world is Add from Library. For this one, click on Downloads here on the left, and then you can select an object on the right-hand side menu. When you click on one, a preview of the object will appear so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to select the bridge test for this exercise and then click on Add to Layout, Current Level. You will then get a pop-up message notifying you that the object has been added to your 3D layout. Just click OK. Then click on the 3D Layout tab to see it. If you're following this tutorial exactly, you will now have the cube and the bridge in your 3D view at this stage. You might need to move the cube to see the bridge. To do that, just click on it and hold your left mouse button in while moving your mouse. Then you should be able to see the bridge. I'm just going to click on the cube and press delete so that I only have the bridge in my 3D view. The third option for bringing an object into the 3D world is Add from Web. It takes a few seconds to load a list of 3D object repositories that you can then download models from. For now, I'm just going to stick to printing the bridge test that I have in my 3D view. Once you have the object in there that you're happy with, you can either click on Print All on the top right hand corner. This option will print all of the objects that you've brought into your world, or you can click on Print Selected. If you haven't selected your object before clicking on this option, it will ask you to select it first. You can also access this print option and much more by right-clicking on your object. You only need to move your mouse over the option that you want to activate it. To get out of this circular menu without selecting something by accident, just click on the object or in the middle of the circle. For now, I'm going to choose the Print All option. In the print settings, you will see that the software automatically populates the file name to be the name of your object. If you have more than one object in your 3D view, all of the object names will be added in the file name. You can select your print quality in the drop-down. Medium is 50 micron, for example. Compensate for hotspot is advanced. I will cover that in a different tutorial. The profile drop-down box has a list of profiles from which you can select. These profiles are the profiles that you or other users of Gizmetor have created. You can select one of the current profiles to start with until you get to the stage in a future tutorial where we will cover how to create your own profile. If we click on this arrow, the advanced options will show. You can select if you would like to print solid or not just by clicking on this box. If you print solid, a good wall thickness to start with is 0.05. Then you will see that you can type in any values for different attributes listed here. The values that are in there to start with are generally based on the print quality you selected earlier. If I change print quality here, my layer height will change. For now we will put it on medium, as it's a good one to start playing with. The infill width is for when you want to print hollow parts, which we will cover in a future tutorial, along with the infill height and infill wall thickness. The display option is for selecting which computer screen you want the projector image to display on. I usually choose display 2, that's my preferred one. Then we can press next.